I've just noticed the security lights come on, and over there is the reason why. Hugo is standing. He likes to lie on the cushions to his left there, but he's just sitting there looking out, because underneath him is where sleeps Harry, the hedgehog. And Hugo was just wondering when he's going to wake up and come out to play. Twizzling his ears around. He's stationary for this long a time. Security light might go back off. Just like that. So go on now, Hugo. It's up to you to move and set the light back on again. Go on. Well, they can see in the dark a bit, can't they, cats? So he's not really perhaps overbothered. He's waiting for Harry there quietly to come out and